I'm waiting baby food. Let's start.
That's it.
I'm Raphael, this is Jackie Chan.
I'm Andrew,
I'm Raphael Baklava.
Blue Riff Productions. What we're going to do
Black
today is we're going to eat some baby food. And here we go.
Action!
Oh, hi guys. We're too big.
Right now?
Yep.
Is the camera on?
Let's do this.
Yep.
1, 2, 3, open.
Nigerian food. That makes sense.
It doesn't.
It's not that bad. That could be good. This is not baby food.
Oh, okay. That's
Janelle, this is not baby food. Who feeds this to their baby? Emmanuel, funny.
I just want to make sure we do puke into the bag.
You're losing.
I'm losing!
Are you okay, man?
No. Oh. What is this? This is too spicy for me. Did you add something into this?
She got this straight.
Yeah.
This is curry flavor, isn't it? It's curry. Thought so. I thought so. She got this from a Chinese shop.
But she was
It tastes
kind of like it. Yeah, you're not supposed to be enjoying it.
Hey, are you supposed to even lick the whole bottle?
He's enjoying it.
You two need to
Jackie, you're
relax.
losing.
I know.
You're the Chinese there. Yeah.
I can't open this.
They're not that bad. They're actually not that bad.
It's because you're African and you like the spice.
Ugh.
Want me to open
You're not supposed to drink
there.
it.
Drink it.
What is this?
Just drink it. Hold your nose and drink it. Eat it.
This is not a shot.
Just hold your nose. Let's go. Let's go. Oh shit. Yeah.
Done it.
Are you done?
Oh.
How the hell is you? What's the point in putting the bucket here? Like? This makes no sense at all.
Yeah, man. Don't throw.
Imagine walking into this.
I know, right?
How strange do you think we are right now?
This is actually. Can I?
Have to eat too. Hey.
How did you finish it?
Because I don't want to eat that. Look at that, man.
That could be delicious.
For all we know,
They have bits in it floating around. That shit's disgusting.
you know, I basically ate a leaf from this. Yeah, there was some kind of big leaf bit of this. I'm pretty sure these are beans. These are beans, aren't they?
Past it.
Last one.
Jackie? What the fuck is this? Is that done to you? Does that look done to you?
I'm not going from that to that and then back to that again. It's just not gonna happen. I'm sorry, man.
It's like spicy fondue. This only will be.
Raphael's having a stroke again.
Anyway,
Can you someone look at this?
Yeah, up.
This is.
That looks genuinely painful.
This is good. Really good.
Jackie, there's bits swimming around in there. This is like.
Oh, don't ruin the water for me. This is the best part of this.
Jackie, I wouldn't even drink that, man. Like, this is
For
not.
once, he's right. The water is the best part.